Hey there, welcome to week 3, September 16th through September 20th. So this week our week will be broken down into two parts. The first half we're going to talk about Chapter 1, the second half of Chapter 1, which reviews research methods. Chapter 2 is going to start our discussion of neuroscience and behavior, which will continue into week 3. So for the Chapter 1 research method, it's going to take you through a reflection essay that's going to be due this week. It's going to take you through a chapter outline of the subject and basically another PowerPoint that again should guide your reading and supplement your reading of the second half of Chapter 1. And then in the second half of this week, we're going to go into Chapter 2, which is going to take us through and begin our discussion of neuroscience and behavior, which really sets the foundation for this class because the brain and the nervous system is involved in everything we do. Here's a brief outline. This is going to cover pages 40 through 48 in your reading. And again, if you keep going down this, it'll take you through some of the key points of this chapter and highlights, again, some of those key points. So some of this is supplementary to the textbook. Some of this will explain it in more practical ways. So quite a bit of information in this chapter. You could take a little ride on our seesaw there, but certainly will help complement the readings for this week. So week 3 is a busy week. Again, lots going on in week 3. And remember, you can always go back to, in our Getting Started tab, your syllabus, which will help you, guide you, will take you through a lot of the details. I'm just opening up right here and then we'll wrap up. Your syllabus is really the key tool in this class. Lots of information, and in particular, if you go towards the end of your syllabus, it has this course schedule, which gives you week-to-week coverage of what's going on in each week. And yeah, so follow along with this. So here's all your week 3 information right here to know what's due, when's it due, what your readings are, and will certainly help keep you organized. Stay in touch. Thanks so much, everyone.